guys, welcome back to A&A Kids channel. Today we're gonna build a chocolate cookie haunted house. And as you can see, I already opened it so it'll be easier for us to get started. So this is the cookie chocolate house that we're gonna be building. And these are all the decorations. This is icing and these are all the spooky type of candy that we're gonna put on our chocolate house. Get started to open. All this cookie out, and don't you see this line right here? That's how you can tell this half is the front and this half is the back, and this is the roof and this is the base. Guys, now we're gonna break all the pieces apart so we can put the icing in between them. Okay, now we have all the parts. Now let's start gluing them together with icing. So my brother is helping me put the icing on it, and I'm gonna smush them together. I stick up all the cookies all together, and now it's time to decorate. So guys, I finished decorating my house, and now I'm gonna give you a little house tour. So this is the front facing the camera. This is the side. We use dots for the roof. This is the back, and this is the other side. Hope you guys liked my video. Please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye! Happy Halloween and stay safe. Bye!